Electronic Hotel Lock Solution Quick Start Guide. We will provide 2 executable files to select and run the installation software. Smaller executable files are lightweight packages that require lower server configuration requirements. This executable can only select access, elevator, and electronic hotel lock module. A larger executable file is a fully functional package that requires higher server configuration. This executable file allows for the selection of more functional modules, such as attendance, IC card consumption, etc. Convenient one-stop management for hotels. Step 1. Select executable files and run the installation according to the server situation and your own needs. This video uses a lightweight package installation demonstration, so only access, elevator, and electronic hotel lock modules can be selected. The software service takes some time to run successfully. Please be patient. The initial password is admin. Step 2. Fill in a new login password and log in. Step 3. Fill in the hotel's corporate information as required and select the authorization file to activate the software online. If the server is in a local area network environment, please click on Offline Activation to generate an UPC file, and contact the authorized file provider to apply for offline activation files. Step 4. Fill in the detailed information of the hotel. Set hotel options such as earliest check-in time, latest check-in time, etc. Add the corresponding room type for the hotel. Add building, floor, and room number information to the hotel. Step 5. Download the encoder driver and install it. If the software is not authorized for activation, the driver cannot be downloaded and run. Step 6. Issue the authorization card. If the card is successfully issued, the encoder will emit a beep sound. When swiping the card, the lock will flash the green light twice and emit 2 beeps. Step 7. Issue the time card. Step 8. Issue the room card. Step 9. You can first enter the guest's mobile phone number or email, then click Search. If the guest has registered before, the system will automatically fill in other information. Make it easy for administrators to enter information. If the card is successfully issued, the encoder will emit a beep sound. When a card has been issued for one person, others can continue to issue cards or check in without card issuance. Step 10. Right-click the corresponding room to check out and cancel card operations. For the same room, both cards need to undergo the cancel card operation. Rooms that have been checked out will be automatically marked as pending cleaning. After completing the cleaning work, the front desk should be notified to change the room status to vacant for check-in. Thank you! Wishing you great success with your business!